warning for northeastern Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, western Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Union County in central Pennsylvania, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Snyder Midwest Ward State Park, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location 20 miles per hour. McClure. Thunder Creek, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Laurelton Center, Snyder Midwest Ward State Park, Beavertown, and Hartleton. Hail damage to vehicles. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Siding, and trees. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following South Springs, Juliana, Mifflin, Snyder, and Union. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McClure, Penns Creek, Beaver Springs, Troxelville, Likert, Laurelton Center, Snyder Midwest Ward State Park, Beavertown, and Hartleton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties: Juliana, Mifflin, Snyder, and Union.